Check, check, check. Man, my channels are changing up on me every time I open this up. Well, I will redo the intro here. So, if you don't know me, my name's Cody. It's a game I'm working on called Chronicles of Virtue. It's a tactical RPG. You play as a character named Arya and her team, living in a world that is just introduced to magic. And so, as you're kind of learning magic, so are the bad guys. Today, we're going to be working on developing spell animations, specifically area of effect spells. So, going to do a few simple ones for now. Mostly kind of just setting up the emitters so they auto spawn. We're going to start with fire because I have some assets for that, and we'll kind of change things later on. Really just trying to get this into the conceptual state and kind of go from there. So right now, thanks for the heads up on the sound. I'm not sure why my channels are kind of changing up, but that's okay. We figured it out. So where this is at right now is essentially when you cast the spell. Right, I can cast the spell. We'll see if I get it in time before movement. That's okay. If not, no big deal. So let's see. So essentially, you cast it. Their animation's okay. They've got everything on there, but there is no actual area of effect animation. So the bad guy will respond to damage and take damage. In this case, I think she's immune to fire. Just set up that way, but anyway. Gonna set up where at least some fire comes up. What I'm thinking kind of is just to have emitters on each of the squares, right? That gets cast on and kind of go from there. But we'll kind of see what happens there. So with that, let's pull this up. All right. And I changed my game to full screen. Now I have no idea how to close it. I guess Alt F4. That works. Oh, interesting. My chat refreshed for some reason. That's all right. I probably hit a button. Trusty Alt F4. That's all right. Hard to beat. Okay. Let me real quick just pull up my stream manager on the side. All right. So the way I think this is going to go, I'm going to pull up trusty PowerPoint here. So imagine each of these boxes a grid. I think this is as simple as this. Like the data of which grid the magic is in is known, right? It's like this data here, like say I cast a spell in these squares. Right? That's a known thing. It's a weird spell shape. That's okay. It's a known thing. All I think I'm going to do is as I'm spawning the node that gets tracked inside the priority list, I think all I'm going to do is pull out the array that tells you what grid it's on and just spawn up an emitter there. And then I think all I have to do after that is make the emitters look good. So I can kind of focus that and I can have it adjust. If you have like a more powerful spell, the emitter puts out more fire or whatever it is. If you have ice, I could have the emitter kind of run backwards and be ice. So yeah, we'll just kind of go from there. All right. So with that, let's see. You getting some bad bitrate, Casey, or is it coming through okay? I'm seeing an unstable notification on Twitch. Let me know, and I'll figure something out. Oh yeah, I'm dropping a lot of frames. It's a matrix format, yeah. So the way that works, right? Yeah, I'm dropping like 15% of my frames for some reason. I'm not sure why. I may have to reset. Let me check something real quick. All right, it might get bad for a second. Hey, Orban, how's it going? Sorry, I'm dropping a bunch of frames, so I'm going to run a speed test and see if I need to reset a router or something. I meant to reset my router before I started. Yeah, I was messing with my... Okay, I'll check it out. Yeah. I'll check it out. Let me run a speed test real quick. I was messing with my card. Like, I've got an external like wireless internet card that runs through USB, and the antenna on it were all messed up. I may have to. Man, I'm getting good speed. It's just okay. Let's see. Maybe this is better now. Now I'm okay. I think that works. I think that adjustment helped. It's looking a whole lot healthier. Okay. We're going to go with that. Okay. So yeah, the way the grid works, I'll monitor it. If I keep dropping frames, which I am still dropping frames, I guess. Let me reset the stream. One moment. I'll be out for like, hopefully not too long. All right, we'll see what happens. Be right back.